I live in this area, which is close to this gallery. The USPCA opened a new charity shop on the Craig Road in Belfast. So that was just a good match that I could volunteer and give some time every week. Then, because there was a plethora of artwork all over the shop, and the other 3 shops, I thought, I know what to do. We'll have a gallery organisation. We will also contact local artists, and this is what we've ended up with. Well, it took probably a month or 6 weeks, and Rachel, who's the manager of the 4 charity shops, she and I went to the shops, had a look at what was there, what was donated by the public, chose what we personally liked and what we thought others would like, and then I contacted 6 local artists and asked for a donation, all of whom said absolutely, and here we are. You do what works for you. There are people who run, get donations, there are people who walk, get donations, people who walk dogs. I absolutely adore art, and I know it is subjective. I'm not an artist in any shape or form, so for me it was just a good idea, something that I really like, I can be passionate about, and maybe inspire other people to be passionate about and to spend some money for the charity. We still need signatures to stop hunting in Northern Ireland. It's the only place in the UK still allows it. So we just need people on board to support us and do as much as possible. They can volunteer their time in many of the different shops, also in Newry, where there are animals that need looked after. Any idea that would raise funds is always welcome. I'm sure there are people out there who can think of all sorts of things that I couldn't. So all ideas are welcome.